Reposted nga ni Jackie Lu Blanco ang naging announcement ng aktres na si Janine Gutierrez at sinabi nito ang pagpanaw ng kanilang mamita. Ayon sa naging post ni Janine, "It is with a heavy heart that we announce the passing of our beloved Mami and Mamita Pilita Corrales. Pilita touched the lives of many, not only with her songs but also with her kindness and generosity. She will be remembered for her contributions to the entertainment industry, but most of all for her love of life and family. Please join us with your prayers and kind thoughts as we celebrate her beautiful life. Further details regarding memorial services will be shared soon." Marami nga ang nalungkot, especially sa mga tagahanga ni Miss Pilita Corrales na ito nga ay pumanaw April 12, 2025 sa edad na 85. Anyway, Maria del Pilar Garrido Corrales, August 22, 1939, April 12, 2025, better known as Pilita Corrales, was a Filipino pop singer, songwriter, actress, comedian, and television presenter. She is best known for her distinctive back bend. So kilalang kilala po dyan si Miss Pilita Corrales na habang kumakanta ay medyo nag-exhibition siya na nililiyad ang kanyang katawan at talagang ito ay tumatak sa kanya. Hailed as the greatest singer in the Philippines by the media and critics, Corrales has recorded 135 albums throughout her 6-decade career. Her recordings have mainly been in English and Filipino, while on occasion she recorded songs in Spanish and Cebuano. Her success would later extend to film and television, where her show An Evening with Pilita is considered as one of the standard in Philippines broadcasting history. She is a recipient of the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award by the Philippine Association of the Record Industry for introducing Filipino musical artistry to a global audience. Talaga namang hindi matatawaran ang galing ni Miss Pilita Corrales pagdating sa pagkanta. Siyempre, marami ang nalulungkot, especially ang family ni Miss Pilita. Kaya naman, ibinibigay at inaabot po namin ang aming mahigpit na yakap sa buong pamilya. At yan po ang ating Showbiz Snap Update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.